Welcome to this quick guide on how to keep your Discord server tidy by automatically hiding new threads after 3 days. If you're managing a busy channel, this can help reduce clutter while still keeping conversations accessible when needed. Here's a simple, step-by-step way to set it up. First, open Discord and go to your server. This is where you manage all your channels and settings. Navigate to the specific server where you want to apply the hide after inactivity rule. It's best to do this in a server you own or administer so you have the right permissions to adjust channel settings. Next, locate the channel you want to apply this rule to. Long press on the channel name to bring up the context options. If you're on a computer, you'll right-click the channel name to reveal the same menu. The goal is to access the channel settings from this menu. Tap on Edit Channel. This opens the channel's configuration panel where you can adjust various options like permissions, topic, and slow mode. You'll find several sections that control how the channel behaves and who can see or participate in it. Scroll down to Hide After Inactivity. This option is designed to automatically conceal threads after a period of no activity, helping to keep the feed clean while still retaining content for later reference. If y'all don't see it right away, double check you're in the correct channel settings and that your Discord client is up to date, since feature menus can vary slightly between versions. Choose 3 days option. Selecting this sets the threshold so that threads that haven't had activity for 3 days will be hidden from the main view. This doesn't delete the threads themselves, it simply folds them away to reduce on-screen clutter. Members can still access hidden threads by navigating to the channel's hidden items or by reactivating them if your server's roles and permissions allow it. To finish, save or confirm your changes. Exit the settings panel and return to the channel to see the new behavior in action.